Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll teach you how to change color screen in all Android devices. If you want to change your Android color screen to iPhone color screen, you can do it. So watch this video complete. You have to go to Play Store. Here you have to type True Phone. You have to download and install this True Phone Dialer. After installation, you have to open this application, and now you have to allow few permissions. You have to click on Set. From here you have to set True Phone as your default phone dialer. Click on Set as default, and then next permissions, click on Set. Click on Allow. Third and the last permission, draw over apps, click on Set. And now you have to allow the permissions to True Phone to let it to appear on other apps. Here you will find True Phone, you have to enable it, and then here phone dialer will appear. Then you have to click on these three dots, click on Settings, and then from here you have to click on Incoming and Ongoing Calls. Click on Incoming Call Screen, and then here you will find iPhone color screen settings. First option is photo style. If you will click on it, here you will find two options. From here you can select the calling person photo size. If you want to choose large photo, then you can select the second option, or if you want to select the image size smaller, then you can select the first option. And second option, answer style, click on it, and here you will find the second option which is already selected, iPhone color screen. So only these are the settings you have to make. Once you done all the settings, then you have to minimize. Now we'll lock our phone and test the color screen. So here you can see our color screen is now same like iPhone color screen. So in the same way, you can also change your Android phone color screen, and you can convert your Android phone color screen into iPhone color screen. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.